everyone, this is Mariam and you are watching One India News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived in Hamburg, Germany to attend the G20 summit that starts on July 7 and concludes on July 8. PM Modi took to Twitter and said that he looked forward to meeting leaders from the other G20 countries and discussing issues of economic growth, sustainable development and stability. The G20 summit will begin with the leaders' welcome at the Hamburg Messe, the venue for the summit, followed immediately by the G20 leaders' retreat. The theme of the retreat is countering terrorism. This retreat would take place before the formal sessions begin. The formal session and leaders' retreat are two different things, but it is an indication of the importance the world leaders attach to the issue of terrorism. The first session at the summit will focus on global growth and trade, while the second session on sustainable development, climate and energy. The later session could see some real disagreements with German Chancellor Angela Merkel, Canadian PM Justin Trudeau and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi sharing a similar view on climate change, which would be opposed lock, stock and barrel by the American President Donald Trump. The summit was always likely to have been dominated by climate change, but will be even more so since Donald Trump removed the United States from the Paris Agreement. It will also be the first public meeting between Donald Trump and Vladimir Putin since Trump became president. With Angela Merkel determined to put climate change, mass migration and free trade at the heart of the agenda, she is engineering a clash with Donald Trump. The second day of the summit would see issues like digitalization, women empowerment and unemployment being discussed. Well, that's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.